Recovery for spinal cord injury made easy with Neuro Acupuncture techniques. Whether you're doing physio at home or in a rehab center, recovery can feel slow and difficult. But there is hope. Dr. Vimal's special Neuro Acupuncture techniques are bringing new possibilities for patients in wheelchairs or those who are bedridden. Neuro Acupuncture is a special technique that mixes various types of acupuncture method with modern brain science. It targets specific points on the scalp and body to help heal and recover faster. It helps in 1. Pain relief. 2. Better mobility, improves control and strength in limbs. 3. Brain healing, helps the brain form new connections. 4. Lowers stress, anxiety, and depression. Dr. Vimal is an expert in neuroacupuncture, focusing on spinal injuries and paralysis. His methods, proven by research and success stories, have helped patients recover faster and improve their quality of life. Take the next step for speedy recovery. DM us from wherever you are